Okay, my dear students, good morning everyone. Before class we have discussed about the applications of the maxima and minima. We already done the problems based on the open box, cylinder, the cylinder inscribed in the sphere, that type of problems. Yesterday class means before class we have learned. Now we are going to the some more problems. Those are problems are very important problems, very easy problems. I think before classes I explained lot of problems, nearly 20 problems I explained. Each and everyone have all problems having the same type problems, but the concept means you memorize the formulas, each and every formula, what is the shape, what is the question is given. Before problems the open cylinder is given. Open cylinder means I have no circular part, means 2 pi r h means pi r square only. Whenever in that case least surface area, that in that case h is equal to r. I explained that one problem. Now we are going to next problem. It is very important problem. Okay, please listen carefully. After this one 4 or 5 problems are there. Each and every problem the most important for means what is that one, board exam purpose. Compulsory one question from the chapter, that is long answer question, means 6 marks question. Please don't waste the time, please do carefully. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to this problem. Show that the semi-vertical angle have to show, you know that cone. Already before class I explained each and every type and all formulas, all notations. Please go through that one. Before class means before 2 classes we will go to. Okay, my dear students, the semi-vertical angle of the cone of here clearly give maximum volume. Whenever the volume is maximum, semi-vertical angle is this one, tan inverse of root 2 or cos inverse of 1 by root 3. The cone is given clearly. I have discussed about the cone. Okay, my dear students, now this is the cone. For suppose you don't know for suppose this is OA, this is center 100%, this is the base radius of the cone, you know that is OA. For suppose this is B, this is height 100%, height of the cone, that is H. For suppose this is H, this is slant height, you know very well slant height also. Semi-vertical, where this is totally is called vertical angle, my dear students, this totally is called vertical angle, this is called semi-vertical. For suppose semi-vertical angle is theta. Now I have to show that theta is equal tan inverse of root 2 or theta is equal cos inverse of 1 by root 3 whenever the volume is maximum. Okay, here theta you have discussed about the theta, that's why I am telling you. Now in this triangle you observe that here 100% 90 degrees, this is the hypotenuse, theta is opposite side, this is called adjacent side. Okay, theta adjacent side. First of all, what happened sin theta? Sin theta is equal to r by l, cos theta equal to h by l, tan theta equal to r by h. Okay, my dear students, now we going to one by one. Now volume is maximum. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Now substitute and calculate, you will get the answer. Second order derivative must be negative. Why? Because volume is maximum. Okay, my dear students, now first one, what is given? Let r be the, what is the r? Be the radius and h be the height, comma L be the, what is L? L be the slant height and theta be the semi-vertical angle of cone. Now in a triangle AOB, now write the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, what is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that equal r by l. From this one r is equal to l sin theta. Given slant height means slant height is constant here, that means cos theta means h by l, that equal to h is equal to l cos theta. Now tan theta is equal to how much? Tan theta means r by h. Okay, after that we will find. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what happened in this one? h square plus r square equal L square. L square is equal h square plus r square. You remember these all formulas. First you write the concept, what we learn for the cone. Okay, you know very well. Before class I already explained. You learned in the previous classes, 9th class, 10th class, what is the cone, what are the properties, what are the means formulas based on the cone, theta is the vertical angle, okay, how it is total mixed, okay. Now maximum volume, what is the formula volume? Volume is equal to what is the formula? Pi 1/3 pi r square h, okay my dear students. Volume of the cone, volume of the cylinder pi r square h, volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h, okay. Now this is pi by 3. Now this is r square. What is r square my dear students? R value L square sin square theta into h. H means L cos theta. Now pi by pi L square into L cube by 3 sin square theta into cos theta. This is V. Now what here pi is constant, L is the given slant height means that is constant by 3, this is total constant. Now the function in terms of theta, now differentiating with respect to theta. Here UV method 100% followed by UV method my dear students. Very very important problem, don't waste, okay. V is equal to dV by d theta, differentiating with respect to theta, dV by theta is equal to pi L cube by 3 into UV method, first u into sin square theta into cos theta derivative, you know that minus sin theta, okay my dear students, plus cos theta into u into derivative of v, okay, plus cos theta into sin square theta derivative. What is the derivative of sin square theta? Sin square theta derivative sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. Derivative of sin square x, sin 2x, derivative of cos square x minus sin 2x. Here this is 2 sin theta cos theta, or derivative of x square is 2x, 2 sin theta derivative is cos theta, okay my dear students. This is dV by d theta is equal to pi L cube by 3 into minus sin cube theta plus 2 cos square theta into sin theta, 2 sin theta into cos square theta, 2 sin theta into cos square theta, okay. Now we are going to dV by d theta is equal, next step you write pi L cube by 3 into minus sin cube theta plus 2 sin theta into, here cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, second order derivative you will find or not, 100% you will find, that's why cos square theta you will write 1 minus sin square theta. Now pi L cube by 3 into minus sin cube theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta minus 3 sin cube theta minus 2 pi L cube by 3 into minus 3 sin cube theta plus 2 sin theta. This is dV by d theta. Now we are going to d square v by d theta square, second order derivative pi L cube by 3 x cube derivative, x cube means 3x square into sin theta derivative cos theta, 3 means minus 9 sin square theta into cos theta plus 2 cos theta, x cube derivative 3x square, sin theta derivative cos theta, sin theta derivative cos theta, enough. For critical points, okay, we are going to here for critical points. For critical points what happened? For critical points, dV by d theta is equal to 0, okay my dear students, dV by d theta is equal to 0. What happened that one? Pi L cube by 3 into minus 3 sin cube theta plus 2 sin theta is equal to 0, 100%, okay. This total value is equal to 0, where L must should not equal to 0. For example, L equal to 0, no cone. Product of two terms means this is value must should 0. Okay, this value is equal to 0, this is not equal to 0 means product of this one must should 0. Minus 3 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Here minus 3 sin square theta is equal to minus 2 sin theta. Here minus minus cancel. 1 sin theta square cancel. What is the remaining term? Sorry, 3 sin cube theta hai here. Cube means square is there. 3 sin square theta is equal to sin theta, 2. Sin square theta is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Sin theta is equal to how much? Root 2 by 3. Root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3. Now here observe that sin theta. Okay, this value substitute in this one. What happened? At sin theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. Now sin theta is equal to root 2 by root 3 means this one. Sin theta means opposite side. This is root 2. This is another part root 3. What about this one? 3 height. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, this square minus this square. Root 3 square means 3 minus 2 means height is equal to 1. Okay. Now what happened? Substitute d square v by d theta square is equal to pi l cube by 3 into minus 9 sin square theta minus 9 into sin square theta means 2 by 3 into cos theta. Cos theta value, what is the formula of cos theta means r by h. R by h means root 2 plus again root 2. Okay, my dear students. Now taken common root 2 here. Here from that one cos theta taken common out. Sorry. Cos theta value, what is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. 1 by root 3, sorry. Cos theta is 1 by root 3. Cos theta is 1 by root 3. Now taken common here 1 by root 3. Pi L cube by 3 root 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. Overall it is negative or not? Yes. Volume is maximum when sin theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. Whenever sin theta root 2 by root 3, okay, now you write 1 by 1. Therefore, volume is maximum. Volume is maximum yet sin theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. That is, from this one what happened? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to r by h, root 2 by 1. That equal root 2. From here, theta is equal to tan inverse of root 2. Okay. From this diagram, tan theta. Okay. Now cos theta. Cos theta equal formula adjacent side by hypotenuse 1 by root 3. Now theta is equal to how much? Cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes, very, very important question, my dear students. Please practice thoroughly. Okay. We will go to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. Show that the semi-vertical angle of the right circular cone of a given surface area and the maximum volume is. Okay, before problem, this problem have same semi-vertical angle, but in that before problem sin theta is equal to root 2 by root 3. But here sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. What is the difference? What is the difference between the before problem and this problem? Catch. Before problem, what is given? The semi-vertical angle of the right circular cone and the slant height of the maximum volume. Slant height is given before problem. But here surface area. Means here surface area is constant. Whatever may be surface area is constant. Now here maximum volume. Volume is maximum 100%. Then show that have sin inverse of 1 by 3 theta. Semi-vertical angle. Same way. Clarity or not? Before problem slant height is given. Here slant height is constant. Here surface area is the constant. That is the difference. Now cone, no doubt. We will find the compulsory. What is that means? Every time we will find O, A, B. 100% this is theta we will find. This is H, this is L, this is R. No doubt at all. Always that is same. Okay, my dear students. Now let one by one we will write neatly. Let what is that? R be the radius L be the slant height, H be the height, H be the height, and theta be the semi vertical angle of cone. Okay, my dear students. Now L square is equal to, you know that L square equal to H square plus R in a triangle OAB. You know that sin theta is equal to R by L. Okay, here write down. Now L square is equal to H square plus R square. Here anyone needed or not? Yes. L square equal H square plus R square. Now you are going to, from this, suppose what happened here, H square is equal to what happened from this one, H square is equal L square minus R square. L square, this is L square minus R square. L means slant height, R means radius of the base. Now here the surface area is given, means surface area is common. What is the surface area of the cone? S is equal pi R square plus pi R L. Pi R square plus pi R L. Say yes or no? Total surface area of the cone, pi R square plus pi R L. Pi R square plus pi R L. Okay, my dear students. From this one you have to find L. Now this is surface area. Compulsory use the condition. Surface area here given means surface area must and should you use. What about this one? S minus pi R square is equal to pi R L. Here from L is equal to what happened? L is equal to S minus pi R square by, okay my dear students, L is equal to S minus pi R square by pi R. Okay. Now separation, that is equal to S by pi R minus pi R square by pi R, means that is R. L is equal to S by pi R minus R. This is relation L value. Now from this one you can find H square is equal to L square minus R square. Okay. Now volume, maximum volume is given. What is the formula for volume? Volume is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. But here you know the value of H square, you know, not H, you know. R square, okay, no problem at all. R square no need. Okay. Now H square we need, means squaring on both sides. Now V square is equal to pi square by 9 into R power 4 into H square. Let here V square is equal to something. Let V square equal to F. Let, no problem at all. V square is equal to F. Okay, my dear students. V square equal to F. F is equal to pi square by 9 into R power 4 into H square. What is the value of H square? H square equal to L square minus R square. Very simple, my dear student. H square means L square minus R square. Now L value you know very well. L value is equal to S by pi R minus R. L value, you have to substitute in that one. Now don't do the mistakes very seriously. Okay. Pi square R power 4 by 9 into L square. What is the L value? S by pi R minus R. S by pi R minus R whole square minus R square. Okay, my dear students. Now calculation part is going on. F is equal to pi square R power 4 by 9 into S by pi R minus, sorry, what happened? This is A minus B whole square formula. S square by pi square R square plus A square plus B square minus 2AB 2 SR by pi R, 2 SR by pi R. Here minus R square is there. 2AB 2 SR by pi R. Any calculation is going on? Yes, here RR cancel. Now F is equal to 1 by, now taken common seriously. Now pi square 1 by 9, pi square by R square we multiply. Pi square by R power 4 multiplied inside, what happened? Pi square by R power 4 multiplied. Pi square cancel. Pi square cancel. R power 4 R square means R square cancel. What is the meaning? S square by R square. plus s square by r square. 100% s square by r square. Here plus r square minus r square cancel. No need of that one. Plus r square minus r square cancel. What are the remaining terms? Minus 2s by pi. Yes or no? Pi cancel. Here minus pi cancel. Pi into 2 is there. 2 pi square means pi cancel. 2s pi. R cancel means r power 4. S square r square minus 2 pi r power 4. Now we will take in the common s, no problem at all. Here s. Now differentiating with respect to r only. Here r. S is surface area is constant. Already given surface area means this is constant. We cannot do the differentiation of s. Only remaining is r. Now df by dr. 1 by 9 into only differentiation r. R square derivative 2r means 2s square r minus r power 4 derivative. 4r cube. Already 2 is there. 8s pi r cube. Okay, my dear students. R power 4 derivative 4r cube. 4r cube. 4 2s are 8. Again second order derivative. D square f by dr square. 1 by 9 into 2s square into r derivative is 1 minus r cube derivative 3r square. 3 into 8 24 s pi r square. Okay, my dear students. For critical points, df by dr is equal to 0. df by dr is equal to 0. What happened? 1 by 9 into 2s square r minus 8s pi r cube is equal to 0. 8s pi r cube is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. 1 by 9 go other side, that is 0. 2s square r is equal to minus go other side plus 8s pi r cube is equal to 0. Now 2 1s are 2 4s are s square s cancel. R cube cancel means r square. What are the remaining terms here? This side s is equal to 4 pi r square. Say yes or no? S is equal to 4 pi r square. S is equal to 4 pi r square. From here r square is equal to, here you have to substitute that one. Here r square is equal to s by 4 pi. You have to substitute at r square equal to s by 4 pi, substitute here positive or negative. 100% maximum volume is 100% negative. After that we can calculate. Okay, my dear students. Now you have discussed about that is okay. Now we are going to here rough this one. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, I think you are understood. Now at r square is equal to what means s by 4 pi. S by 4 pi. Now d square f by dr square is equal. What happened? 1 by 9 into 2s square minus 24 s pi into r square. R square value s by 4 pi. Okay, my dear students. Pi cancel. 4 1s are 4 6 are cancel. What happened? 1 by 9 into 2s square minus 6s square. 2s square minus 6x square minus 4s square minus 4 by 9 s square. Not this one. This is negative or positive? Negative. 100%. That is f. F means volume. Volume of the cone is maximum. Volume of the cone is maximum at r square equal to s by 4 pi. Okay, my dear students. Now continuation. I have this one. Okay. Volume of the cone. Volume of cone is maximum at r square is equal to s by 4 pi. Now calculation part. R square equal to s by 4 pi. Now 4 pi r square is equal cross multiplication, that equal yes. 4 pi r square is equal yes. What is s? Surface area. What is the surface area? Pi rl plus pi. Pi rl plus pi r square. Now pi r square this side, 4 pi r square minus pi r square, 3 pi r square is equal pi rl. Now pi cancel, r cancel. Now what happened? 3r is equal l. Now from this diagram, sin theta, what happened? Already maximum is over. Now you have to show that vertical angle. We have discussed about the vertical angle. From this one, sin theta is equal in a triangle AOB. Already before here in a triangle AOB, sin theta equal how much? R by L. Sin theta is equal R by L. That equal R by L means 3R. That equal 1 by 3. Now sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. Theta is equal to how much? Sin inverse of 1 by 3. This is, my dear students. Before problem, what is that one? Slant height is given. Slant height is constant. Here surface area is given. That is the difference. You read the question carefully. Whenever the slant, both the problems you find that vertical angle 100%. Before vertical angle theta is equal tan inverse of root 2, tan inverse cos inverse of 1 by root 3. But here vertical angle sin inverse of 1 by 3. Whenever before problem slant height is constant, in this problem surface area is given, means that is the constant. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Show that the volume of the largest cone. Show that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Very, very important, my dear students. Okay. Show that volume of the largest cone. Volume of the, clearly given, volume of the largest cone means volume of the cone is largest, means that is the function. How it is that? That cone is inscribed in a sphere of radius r. Okay, that cone is put in the sphere, those sphere radius is r. For suppose you will take this one. What about this? This is for suppose sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know very well. Okay, this is sphere of radius is clearly is given. Now in this one, the cone is inscribed. Okay, observe that this is for suppose cone. This is cone. Okay, now this is center. You don't know the cone radius. Okay, for suppose this is O, this is A, this is height of the cone. Yes, this is 100% center, clearly is given. Center is, for suppose this is already, you will take O, for suppose this is B. Center already given, O means radius from center to any point. This is the distance. Okay, my dear students. Okay. This is center means 100%. What happened? This one, this is the radius 100%. This is also 100% radius, my dear students. Okay. Now height. For suppose this is r. This is the total height is r. For suppose cone radius must and should you take the cone radius is r. What about the cone radius is? For suppose r. This is, for suppose this is height, you don't know, this is x. The total height is h. Now h is equal to r plus x. H is equal to r plus x. In this triangle, x square plus r square is equal to r square. Okay, my dear students. From this triangle, observe that here capital R square is equal to x square plus r square. What is that one? What is going on here means volume of the largest cone, my dear students. Volume of the largest cone. Volume of the cone is V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, from here write r square. What is r square is equal? R square minus x square. Yes, V is equal to 1/3 pi r square means r square minus x square into h. H means r plus x. Okay, my dear students, no problem at all. Okay, now we are going. I am explaining you. Now what happened? This one clearly the radius is r. Yes, what the radius are? The r be the capital R be the radius of the sphere. Now small r be the radius of the cone. Here from center to any point on this one, 100% this one. Here this distance is called, for suppose x, whatever may be. Now height is equal to r plus x. Okay, my dear students, no problem at all. For suppose total height h means this is r means h minus r. We will take in that one also, we will get the answers. No problem at all. Now let what is given one by one. Let capital R be the radius of sphere. Let capital R be the radius of the sphere. Small r be the radius of cone. Now from figure, from diagram, from figure, height is equal to r plus x. in a triangle OBA or ABO, in a triangle ABO, r square is equal to x square plus r square. Now from this one, small r square is equal to r square minus x square. R square minus x square. Okay, my dear students. Now, what is the maximum? This is the diagram part is over. What is the maximum? Volume of the largest cone. Show that the volume of the largest cone. Volume. Now, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. V is equal to 1/3 means pi by 3 r square. R square value is capital R square minus x square into h. H means r plus x. Now differentiate 2 times with respect to x. Here the sphere of radius is r is constant, only remaining terms is x, means dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to pi by 3 into which method you apply? uv method. This is u, this is v. R square minus x square into r derivative is 0, x derivative is 1. Okay, plus r plus x into r square derivative is 0, minus x square derivative is minus 2x. Now pi by 3 into r square minus x square minus what happened this one? Minus 2rx minus 2x square. Okay, now this is dv by dx. What about d square v by dx square? Pi by 3 into, this is 100% 0, 0 minus 2x minus 2r minus 4x. Orally minus taken common, no problem at all. Pi by 3 into minus 6x minus 2r. Now taken common minus, totally second order derivative is negative. Okay, for critical points, our goal is the volume of the largest cone, means this volume is equal to here, this is the volume, is equal to 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. You have to show that one. Now for critical points, dv by dx is equal to 0. What the dv by dx means? This one, pi by 3 into what happened this one? R square minus x square minus 2x square. What happened? Minus 3x square minus 2rx. 2rx is equal to 0. Pi by 3, cancel that one. R square. Okay, my dear students. Minus 3x square minus 2rx is equal to 0. Okay, r square minus, okay, r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. What happened this one? R square minus 2rx minus 3x square. Factors 3, minus 3 plus 1. R square minus 3rx plus rx minus 3x square. Now taken common r minus 3x plus x taken common, r minus 3x is equal to 0. Now r minus 3x taken common, 0. Now r equal to 3x, r is equal to minus x. Possible or not? No, it is not possible. R is equal to minus x. This radius is equal to minus x. It is not possible. Now r is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to how much here? R by 3. X value is equal to r by 3. X is equal to r by 3. Substitute here. X is equal to r by 3. At x is equal to r by 3, d square v by dx square, positive or negative? That equal to pi by 3 into minus 6x minus 6 into x. X value is r by 3 minus 2r. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 2r minus 2r minus 4r. Therefore minus 4 pi r by 3. This is less than 0, means volume is maximum. Whenever volume is maximum, at x is equal to r by 3. Okay, my dear students. Therefore, volume is maximum. Volume of cone is maximum. H x is equal to r by 3. Therefore, volume is equal to. You have to show that volume is equal to 8 by 27 into. Okay, volume is equal here pi by 3 into r square minus x square into r plus x. Now substitute pi by 3 into r square minus x square. X square means r square by 9 into r plus r by 3. Okay, my dear students. Now substitute what happened in this one. Now pi by 3 into 9r square minus r square, 8r square by 9 into 4r by 3. Okay, what happened? 8 by 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, 4 by 3, 8 by 27, 8 by here 8, 9 3 is 27, 8 by 27. What are the remaining terms? Observe that 4 pi r square into r cube, 4 pi r cube by here 3 is there, 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal 8 by 27 into volume of the sphere. Okay, my dear students. Whenever the cone is inscribed in the sphere of radius r, that volume of the cone is equal to 100%, 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Okay, understood? Okay, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Observe that. Show that the volume of the greatest cylinder, volume of the greatest cylinder means maximum, volume is greatest, cylinder volume pi r square h, you know very well. Volume of the greatest function you know very well, that is the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h is the formula, no doubt, which means cylinder can be inscribed in a cone of height h. Okay, the cylinder inscribed in the cone height is clearly is given h, and the semi-vertical angle is alpha, is that one. Whenever height h, semi-vertical angle is alpha, the volume of the cylinder is equal to this one, 4 by 27 into pi. That must ensure volume of cylinder is maximum. Whenever the volume of the cylinder is maximum, that volume is equal to this one, and height also equal to h by 3. Height of the cylinder is equal to h by 3. What is the going on? The cylinder is inscribed in the cone. Okay, you discuss about the cone. This is actually cone, huh? 100% this is actually cone. This is cone. The cylinder inscribed in the cone. For suppose this is the cylinder. For suppose what about this is? For suppose this is A. For suppose this is O. This is B. Now 100% this is called height. Clearly is given height h is given clearly. Okay. H is the height of the cone. What is that? Semi-vertical angle is given. Now we will take the semi-vertical angle is this side or this side. This is alpha. Now what is the radius is given or not? Show that the volume of the greatest cylinder, which can no need of the radius. Okay, you want the only greatest cylinder. You need only the radius of the cylinder, means cylinder only. Okay. Now cylinder is inscribed in this one. Here, for suppose here cylinder. Okay. Here you will take the cylinder here in this way. Here this is for suppose OA. For suppose this is also, this is O means this is O dash. This is for suppose OA. This is P for suppose, no problem at all. This is P. This is P dash. This is for suppose radius is for suppose you want x, radius you want x, r. Okay, you will take r, no problem at all. X and r, no problem at all. Okay, observe that. Now what is the height of, we don't know. We don't know the height of the, here we don't know the height of the, what is that one? Cylinder height we don't know. Okay, you will find first. Total height you know very well. Total height you know. For suppose you will find this height. This height means total height means this height is the total height of this one, from this one to this one you know very well, h. For suppose you will find this height, total height minus this height is equal to this height. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now write one by one from the diagram. First what is given, you apply that one. Okay, don't confuse. What is that one? Let h be the height of cone, alpha be the, what is alpha? Be the semi vertical angle of cone. What is x? You will take r, no problem at all. You will take the r be the radius, x be the radius, whatever may be. Okay, you have something doubt, for suppose r be the radius of the cylinder. Okay, let small r be the radius of cylinder. Now suppose you write the height means you write the volume of the cylinder here. Volume of the cylinder is greatest means function pi r square h, actually pi r square height, you know, you don't know the height of the cylinder. Okay, that's why in a triangle A O dash P dash, observe that in a triangle A O dash P dash, what happened? Tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to opposite side by this one, r by this one, O dash A. Yes or no? Tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, means r by O dash A. From this one, O dash A is equal to what happened? O dash A is equal to r by tan alpha. 1 by tan means cot, that is r cot alpha. This distance is, what about this height? This length is that is called r cot alpha. Total height is called h cot alpha. This height is called r cot alpha. What about this? H minus r cot alpha. Therefore, height of cylinder is equal to height of cylinder, that is, for suppose capital H is equal to h minus r cot alpha. Total height is h or not? H minus, you subtract this one. Now volume of the cylinder. What is the volume? That is pi, radius is r square, height is h, pi r square h. Okay, my dear students. Now V is equal to pi r square h. Capital H value h minus r cot alpha, whatever may be. Now V is equal to pi into h r square minus r cube cot alpha. Now differentiate, my dear students. Here h of the cylinder, h is equal to h minus r cot alpha. Okay. Now dV by dr, pi into r square derivative 2r, 2rh minus r cube derivative 3r square cot alpha. Here semi-vertical angle is alpha, alpha is constant here. Okay. Now d square V by dr square, my dear students, pi into 2h with respect to r. R derivative is 1 means 2h minus r square derivative is 2r, 6r cot alpha. For critical points, dV by dr, first order derivative is equal to 0. Volume is maximum means first order derivative is equal to 0. Pi into 2rh minus 3r square cot alpha is equal to 0. Okay, my dear friends. 2rh minus 3r square cot alpha is equal to 0. What happened this one? 2rh minus 3r square cot alpha is equal to 0. 2rh is equal to 3r square cot alpha. R cancel. What happened? 2h is equal to 3r cot alpha. Now h is equal, okay, h is equal to 3r by 2 cot alpha. H is equal to, or r is equal to, now you want only capital R, okay? Okay, r you substitute. What about r here? Here r is equal to 2h by 3 into tan alpha. R is equal to h by 3 tan alpha. Reverse, 2h by 3 cot means tan. Now h, r is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha. Second order derivative, d square V by dr. Substitute pi into 2h minus 6 cot alpha into r. What is r? 2h by 3 tan alpha. Pi into 2h minus, here cot alpha into tan alpha is 1, reciprocals. 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 2s are 4h. 2h minus 4h, that equal minus 2 pi h less than 0. What it means? Volume is maximum at r is equal to h by 3 tan alpha. Enough. Therefore, volume is maximum. Therefore, volume is maximum at r is equal to h by 3 tan alpha. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume is equal to pi r square h. H capital H means h minus r cot alpha. H minus r cot alpha. Substitute each and every one. R is equal to h by 3 tan alpha. Now pi is equal to r square. R square means 4h square by 9 tan square alpha into h minus r cot alpha. H minus r cot alpha. H minus cot alpha into r. R value. R value is equal to 2h by 3. 2h by 3 tan alpha. Okay, my dear student. Tan alpha cot alpha is 1. This is equal 4 pi h square by 9 tan square alpha into calculation part h minus cot alpha and tan alpha in 1 means 2h by 3. What happened this one? 4 pi h square by 9 into tan square alpha into 3h minus 2h, that is h by 3. H is cube 27. Okay. 4 pi h cube by 27 into, yes or no? 4 pi h square into h cube by 9 3 is 27 into tan square alpha. This is V. Also find height of the cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder? Height of cylinder h is equal to, height of cylinder h is equal to, what is the formula? Total height minus this is x cot alpha. Yeah, yes or no? Pi r square h, this is height. H minus r cot alpha. H minus r cot alpha. That equal h minus cot alpha into r value. R value is r is equal to h by 3 tan alpha. Now tan alpha cot alpha is 1. H minus 2h by 3. 3h minus 2h, that equal h by 3. Now height of the cylinder equal h by 3. Observe that the semi-vertical angle is, volume is 4 by 27 pi h cube tan square alpha. Height of the cylinder is h by 3. Height of the cylinder is h by 3. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. We are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. Very important questions. Okay. Very, very important questions. Please listen carefully and please understand the problems. The radius of the right circular cylinder. Okay, radius of the cylinder. Okay, radius, per suppose the radius of the cylinder is r, per suppose. Of the, okay, greatest curved surface area. Greatest curved surface area of the cylinder means 2 pi RH. Curved surface area. The function is given clearly. That cylinder inscribed in a given cone is half of that of the cone. For suppose cone radius is r by 2, capital R, Rx, whatever may be, x by 2. This is radius of the cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone whenever the curved surface area is maximum. Okay, my dear students. What is the cylinder is inscribed in the cone. Inscribed in the cone. Okay, you know that cone we have. You know very well cone. This is cone. A, per suppose this is O, per suppose this is B. Per suppose this is the radius R. Capital R, Rx, whatever may be, small r. Let R be the radius of the cone. Write down one by one. Per suppose what is this one? His height, capital height, whatever may be. After that, what is the small r? Let small r be the, what is the small r? Small r be the radius of cone. Okay. Now the cylinder is inscribed in the cone. For suppose this is the cylinder. This is cylinder. This is O means here O dash. Here radius, this is already O means this is radius you don't know. This is x, this is also x, this is also x. Okay, my dear students. For suppose this is O A, O B here, B C D. Okay, my dear students. Okay, no problem at all. O B C D. This is the radius. Okay, what about this, my dear students? This one total is r. This is x. What about this means? This is 100% r minus x. Let okay, h be the, what about this? H be the height of the cone, capital H be the, here from this one to this one, capital H. Capital H be the height of the cylinder. Okay. Let small x be the radius of cone. Radius of the cone. Okay, my dear students. Okay, no problem at all. Understood or not? Yes. Capital H be the height of the cylinder. Now you have to observe that this is the triangle AOB. This is the triangle AOB. Next triangle, this is the DCB, are congruent. Have same side. 100% those two triangles are, what is the triangle? DCB. Both are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. Okay. Now, yes, 100% congruent triangles. Same base have. Okay. Now, the triangle, what is that? AOB is congruent to triangle DCB. Now, here what happened? AO by, here in this one, AO by DC is equal to OB by CB. Okay, my dear students. OB by CB. What about AO? AO means capital H, total height, by DC. Where is DC? Okay, is equal to OB. What about OB? OB means R. By what about CB? What about CB? CB means R minus X. R minus X. Okay, my dear students. R minus X. Okay, here from this one, cross multiplication, H into R minus X is equal to R into H. Now from this one, capital H is equal to H into R minus X by R. Now curved surface area is maximum. Greatest curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal. Curved surface means L is equal to 2 pi. What is the what is the radius of the, this is x be the radius of the cylinder. 2 pi RH, 2 pi XH. What is the formula actually? 2 pi R. R means radius. What is the radius here? The radius of the cone is X. That is height is H. 2 pi X into H. What is H? H means H into R minus X by R. H into R minus X by R. Okay. 2 pi H by R multiply Rx minus X square. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now this is something L. dl by dx is equal to dl by dx with respect to x. 2 pi H by R. Rx derivative is R minus 2x. D square L by dx square. Okay, 2 pi H by R into 0 minus 2. 2x derivative is 2 minus 4 pi H by R. This is 0. For critical points, dl by dx is equal to 0. That is 2 pi H by R into R minus 2x is equal to 0. This total is 0. R minus 2x is equal to 0. Means R equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to R by 2. What is x? Radius of the cone is equal to half of the radius of the, radius of the cylinder. X means radius of the cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone. Clearly, the radius of the right circular cylinder is given at cone, half of that cone. At x is equal to R by 2, what happened? Compulsory that at x is equal to R by 2, second order derivative, d square L by dx square is less than 0. Therefore, curved surface area is maximum at x is equal to R by 2. At x is equal to R by 2. Therefore, radius of the cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone. That's why I say, my dear students, this is the topic for maxima and minima. Okay. Means okay, tomorrow, okay, no problem. Tomorrow I will explain another 3 or 4 problems I have. Tomorrow I will explain again the miscellaneous exercise. I will explain tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow onwards the total topic will be complete. Okay, thank you one and all.